Hello everyone. This time I'm very excited because I'm doing the collaboration with Edna Wargon. Edna, please excuse me if I don't pronounce your name right. I'm not too good in speaking French, and yeah, I hope you will forgive me. Anyway, yeah, I'm very excited about this collaboration. Edna contacted me and we agreed of making a cake stand. So each of us was free to choose the colors. So I'm really curious what colors Edna was choosing. And yeah, I cannot wait to see it. Anyway, before I talk a little bit more, I'm telling a little bit about what I'm mixing. I just mixed some shells from the ColorBerry luxury collection together with some mirror from Laura's Art Corner. It's a very nice glass glitter mix. And there I'm mixing my resin. By the way, the resin is a crystal resin from MrsColorBerry, together with some of the crystal white. I'm not mixing this crystal white too opaque because I just don't want it to be too heavy. My next color is the Karat Aquamarine, and it's one of the micas from the Carrot box. I ordered this a while ago and I just wanted to have a nice collection and to test also and to see what the colors are like, and I'm really adore those colors, and the aquamarine is actually one of my favorites. And my other color is the moonstone blue. So I thought maybe with the moonstone blue I get some nice effects, some nice interest and shimmer in there, and it's really very beautiful. My pour, the way I'm pouring is inspired by MrsColorBerry herself, because she did in the summer a very beautiful pour with some rose colors, and she had this fantastic striations, and it was always a sort of dream of me to achieve the same. So that's what I'm trying to do now. I'm pouring in the round disc mold from Mold and Shapes. As people know, I'm always using the molds from Mold and Shapes, and they are from great quality. And yeah, just check out my description box, and if you are interested and you want to order them, please use my promo code PT5 in order to get 5% discount. They have so many awesome molds, and just the round ones, I really love them. My first color was the crystal white. I poured around, and now I'm pouring the aquamarine just around it. And I'm not quite round there, but well, it's artwork, so it cannot always be 100% perfect. And my last color now is the moonstone blue. And I'm pouring around and also a little bit on top. And it has really a nice sort of, yeah, you can say almost opal shimmer. And I really like it. Now I fill up my mold with the clear. I push out all the colors to the sides. And I'm hoping for some nice effects and, yeah, nice striations, but we will see. Now I'm giving it a quick torch. Again, with the torch, please be careful. Don't burn your resin, don't burn your mold. It would be a pity if you would ruin your molds or the piece you are just pouring. Just be careful. So now the resin needs to get its magic done. And I'm now pouring also my center. I do this rather big because when the hole is coming in the cake stand, so you can see a little bit, well, I'm sorry that my picture in the first part is a little bit blurred, but somehow my camera is more focusing on my hand than on my mold. I don't know why, but it is like it is. I'm sorry for this. I'm still not professional. And yeah, look at this. This is now the next day. And on the top side, I achieved what I wanted to achieve. And I really like the effect. It's awesome. And I'm curious about the back side. But look at this. And, well, I must admit I'm not a very big fan of the back side. Normally I prefer the back side, but in this case, for me it goes without saying I use the top side. I really like how the resin dragged into the center. Nice striations. It's beautiful. And now I'm doing the same thing with the 15 centimeter disc mold from Mold and Shapes, and this is my upper piece, and I'm really pouring in the same way. I guess I don't need to explain the colors again. I just want to emphasize again, I'm very happy that Edna contacted me. And yeah, I'm so much looking forward to see what she's doing, because she has a very typical French style in her artwork, and everything is very delicate, and I'm so curious. I cannot wait. Yeah, mixing this all up. I hope I don't bore you with this, but this all belongs to the procedure, and yeah, getting the moonstone blue ready again. Now I'm struggling with my English. And the aquamarine. Also, there was something in my resin. There's always falling something into my resin. And yeah, the aquamarine, and I need to really stir it very well. And this is my glitter mix, and I had the leftover on the bottom. That's why you see it. I put some fresh resin on top, and now I'm mixing my glitter and my shells again. So this is the round mold, the little one. And I'm starting with the white again. And I'm just pouring around it, around the edge. And I'm using the blue again. and the moonstone blue, and this has really nice effect. I like it. And now I'm filling up with clear again. I'm not filling up the molds. I don't know if I already mentioned it. I'm not filling them up to the top because the molds are quite deep. They are 1 centimeter deep. But the hardware where you can screw is not as thick from those cake stand hardware. So I'm really not pouring up to the top. There I'm releasing some bubbles. And I'm using the rest of my blue. The torch again. And there I noticed there's one corner. I am saying it's a round mold. Yeah. Where's still blue? I don't know if you can see it, so I need to fix this somehow. But first I'm doing my center. And I'm also hoping for this little one to get some nice effects. Yeah, there I'm trying to fix it. Somehow I don't know if it makes sense. Torch again. And then I thought, just see that you mix a little bit more of the white. I'm not sure if I damaged my pattern now, but it was really bothering me. So you will see in a second that I'm mixing some more white. Just taking a tiny little bit because there's not much resin in my cup. And I'm just going around. And let my resin do its magic. So this is the next day, and you can see my glitter is completely closed up. But in fact, I don't mind. You can see it shimmer through. And I like the top part. And I'm curious about the back part, but we will see. Yeah, decision made. The top part will be the top of my cake stand. Really like the effects. And now I'm getting also my big tray just for you to see. And I think the colors are matching very, very beautiful. Really like it. Very, very much. So, and now I put a top layer on, and I'm just trying to get rid of some, dust pieces. There's always something in the air, and I hate this, but you cannot do anything about it. And now I'm taking glass glitter, and I want, to put some glass glitters at sort of third of the mold, of the not coaster, of the tray. It's the first time that I'm actually doing something like this, so please bear with me. This is really new for me. But when you see the center and the pattern, don't you think it has really a lot of depth? I really, really adore this. I really like it. I must admit the crystal resin makes really, really beautiful effects. Yeah, so I'm quite busy in doing this. And yeah, there fell some glass glitter or some glass on my tray, so I had to get it out. And I really didn't know how much I should put on there. Maybe I put a little bit too much on there. I have no idea. It's, like I said, the first time I'm doing anything like this. You will tell me later what you think, guys, if it was too much or if it's okay. I can only learn, you know, from other people who tell me what they think. Actually, I saw also the ambassador from ColorBerry, Jamie, doing stuff like this, but she does it a lot more delicate, I need to admit, but I'm learning. Like I said, it's the first time, so yeah, it takes a little bit time. If it gets too boring, just fast forward. I don't mind. I can understand this, but I really needed to see that I get this sorted, and I didn't want to speed this process up too much. So I hope you're okay with this. And here you see the little cake stand I just put around, and what I did with both, also used the mirror as well to get a little bit extra sparkle around. So I've done this with both, with a big tray and this one, and I used also the highlighter pen in silver, rich silver. Here I painted the edges, and with the big one I painted the glass. And this is the final result. So I hope you enjoyed watching the video. I'm very, very curious about Edna, like I said. And thanks for watching, guys. Take care and bye-bye.